Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I'm out of town again, so it is calligraphy time. Now that we have practiced all of the alphabets, let's watch this part 7 out of 7, putting it all together. I really like these videos by Lovely Loops. In this last part, she starts connecting letters and having them a little more squished in. I am not too sure what I'm doing, just gonna start practicing. Okay, the spacing here, I've been guessing and kind of doing what looks good to me. It's been pretty straightforward to go entrance and exit into the next letters, entrance and exit. I've been picking the letters I need to make the words. Let's keep going. Looking pretty good. I have 3 spaces between the X, 1, 2, 3, X, 1, 2, 3, X. I think you're supposed to have 4 so the letters don't hit each other here. 2 for descending, 2 for ascending, but I kind of like the spacing there, so might keep it the same. Really excited for plans I have next. Can't wait to start researching those. But for now, video 297 done.